is your geography class. How are you doing? Okay, in this class we are going to learn something special about topographical sheets. Okay, what we are going to learn about? We are going to learn about topographical sheets and what are the signs, symbols and colors used in the topographical sheet that we are going to see today. What are the things we are going to learn? The colors, signs and symbols that are used in the topographical sheet. Before we enter into the topic, enter into the lesson, let me ask you something. You know what is map, what is globe and all. Okay. Can you say what is this? This is a map, is it? You know what is map also. What is map? Map is a representation of earth that are drawn on a flat surface. It shows part of the earth or the whole of it. Okay. What is map? It is a representation of an earth. Is it? And another thing, one more thing is there that also shows the representation of the earth. Can anybody say what is the another thing that shows the representation of the earth? Yeah, it is globe. Globe is the miniature model of an earth. It is also shows how the earth look like and what is the shape of the earth. That all details we can get from this globe. Okay. Now, what are topographical sheets? What we call topographical sheets? Why we call this as topographical sheets? And what type of scale is used in this topographical sheet? That all things we are going to learn about. When we see topographical sheets, there are two types of scales are there. Okay, what are the two types of scales? One is large scale, another one is small scale. What are the two types of scales used in the map? In drawing of map, there are two types of scales are there. One is small scale, another one is large scale. And two more things are there, plan and sketch. Plan is a drawing that is used with the help of scale, and sketch is a rough drawing. There won't be any usage of scale in the rough drawing. Okay. Before getting into the topic, once again I will repeat, there are two types of used in the map. Okay. And one is small scale, another one is large scale. When we take topographical sheet, in the topographical sheet, which type of scale is used? It is large scale. Okay. So, what type of scale is used? Large scale. Okay. What is large scale? And what is the use of large scale? When we take small scale is used to show a big area on the ground. To represent it on the sheet, it is small scale is used. For example, if it is 200 kilometers on the ground, on a paper it will be shown as 1 centimeter. Whereas large scale map, it shows 1 kilometer as 1 centimeter in the map. That is large scale map. Did you understand the difference? Now, large scale map, it shows even a minute places, small areas also can be shown in the large scale map. What we can see? The large scale maps shown even a small areas that are in a town, village, city. Okay, even your church in your locality also can be shown by using this large scale. Did you understand, children? Now, here to learn this topographical sheets. Topographical sheets are otherwise known as topo sheet. What is topographical maps are otherwise known as topo sheets. And to draw this topographical sheets or topo map, we have to use, there are contour lines. Okay. Contour lines are used in the topo sheets. What are these contour lines? Contour lines are imaginary lines. Contour lines are imaginary lines. They shows all points that connects all points that are above the same height above the sea level. Okay, above the same height above the sea level. So contour lines are the imaginary lines that shows all points, that connects all points that are same height above the sea level. So that is called contour lines. Here one more line is used, that is arbitrary lines. What is this arbitrary lines? Contour lines you know now. Now what is arbitrary line? For example, to draw a map, we are using two types of lines, two types of imaginary lines. One is vertical line, other one is horizontal line. Okay, what are the two lines used in the map? One is vertical line. Even in the globe, there are vertical lines and horizontal lines. Okay, vertical lines are known as longitudes and the horizontal lines are known as latitudes. Okay, but whereas in the topographical map, there are also two lines used. The vertical lines are known as easting. Okay, vertical lines in the topo map is used known as easting, and the horizontal lines are known as northing. What are the two arbitrary lines? The vertical line is known as easting and the horizontal line is known as northing. There is no use of latitudes and longitudes in the topographical sheets. And these arbitrary lines are also used in this map. Okay. Now both these vertical and horizontal lines together forms a grid square. What is it form? Grid square, which helps to point out the places, even a small areas in the topo sheets. Did you understand, children? Now, what these topographical sheets provide? Okay, I already told topographical sheets or topographical maps helps us to find out even a small places in our locality. And this topographical maps or sheet shows both man-made and natural features. What it shows? It shows both man-made and natural features. What are some of the natural features? Like mountains, hills, valleys, plateaus, and water bodies. Okay, man-made objects like roads, settlement, railway track, and different other things. Okay, which are made by man. So what are the uses of topographical sheets? It helps us to find out both man-made and natural features. Man-made objects like roads, railway tracks, settlement, and so on, and natural features like mountains, hills, valleys, and plateaus, etc. Did you understand, children? Now, apart from this, I already told you different colors are used. Okay, what are things? Colors in the map. What are the different colors used in the map? That we are going to see now. What are the different colors used? Can you say? Some of the colors used in the topographical sheets are green, yellow, red, white and blue, also black. What are the different colors used in the map? Some of the colors used in the maps are green, yellow, red, white, blue, black and brown. Can you repeat once again what are the colors used? Some of the different colors used in the topographical sheets are green, yellow, then red, white, blue, black and brown. Did you understand? Now, what is this green color denotes? Green color denotes the forest and the mountainous region, the green areas. Okay. To show forest and mountains, which color is used? Brown, green colors. And here, all the contour lines are used. Which color? Contour lines are used with brown color. We are learning this, which one? The green color. Okay, forest, mountains and other greenery, green areas are shown in which color? In green color, like woodlands. Okay, woodland, where the land is filled with trees. The green areas are shown in which color? Green color. The next thing, yellow color. Okay, what's the next color? Yellow color. All the cultivated areas, cultivated region in the map is shown in yellow color. Okay, which color is used to show the cultivated region? It is yellow color. And the red color is used to show bridges, religious places, settlements and so on. Okay, bridges, religious places, different settlements, tourist important places are shown in red color. And the white color is shown, it denotes the uncultivated region. What it shows? The uncultivated regions or the barren land where there is no cultivation is found. The soil is dry, barren land. Which color is denotes the uncultivated and barren lands? It is white color. And the next color is used blue color, that are the perennial rivers. It shows the perennial rivers. Perennial rivers, and also it denotes the seas and oceans where the water bodies are there. So the blue color denotes the areas where the perennial rivers are found and seas and oceans are there. And the black color denotes the abbreviations of the names. Then the dry river, then object like a railway station, railway track, different objects to denote the object also. Which color is used? The black color. Then telegraph lines, grid network of parallels, meridians, surveyed trees, then graves, boundary places are all things in which color used? Black color. National borders, state borders, district borders, these all things can be shown in which color? Black color. Apart from that, abbreviations of names, dry rivers and different objects also to denote these objects, which color is used? Black color. And already told brown color, all the grid lines are used, or what is that? All the contour lines are shown in brown color. What is shown in brown color? Contour lines. Then apart from that, it denotes the height of the contour lines. To denote contour lines, not only to denote contour lines, to denote the height of the contour lines, which color is used? Brown color. And the sand hills, sand dunes and sand hills and sand dunes also use which color? Brown color. So these are different colors that are used in the topographical sheets. What are the different colors? Green color denotes forest, mountains and woodlands. Yellow color denotes cultivated regions. And red color denotes bridges, religious places and different settlements. White color denotes uncultivated or barren lands. The blue color is used to denote the perennial rivers, seas and oceans. And black color used to show the abbreviation of names, objects, the dry rivers and the boundaries of the state, district and the nations. And also the brown color denotes the contour lines and the height of the contour lines and also sand hills and sand dunes and shifting sand. Okay, these all things are shown in different colors. When you see in this map, here are also certain colors are used. What are the different colors used in this map? See, pink color, green color. Okay, this color denotes, the green areas denotes the fertile region. Okay, and here also some of the legends are used, some of the signs and symbols are used here in this map. So this map is drawn with the using of scale. What type of scale is used here? Here in the map, to draw the map, small scale will be used. To draw the topo sheet, what scale is used? It is large scale is used in the maps. Now you learn some of the colors. Okay. Now you are going to learn what are the signs, different signs and symbols are used to denote in the topographical sheets. That all things you are going to see now. Now the signs and symbols are also very important in the drawing of map, especially in the topo map. Why they are important? Symbols, signs and symbols in the topographical map. Okay, for example, when you cross the road, some of the board will be kept at both the sides of the road. Go slow, like that. Something will be written and some symbol will be drawn. Men at the work, some board will be kept and some kinds of picture will be pasted on the board, and some of the board that shows the direction. This way you can go for this place, and this way to go to Nagarkoil you can take this direction, like that and all. Some symbols and directions, signs and symbols where you might have seen on the road when you travel some places. Listen. Okay, now what are the different kinds of symbols and signs used in the map? For example, can anybody understand, say what is this? Yes, this symbol denotes the international boundaries. Okay, international boundaries. Okay, to show the international boundaries, some of the dashes and dots will be used that are drawn in thick black color. Okay, in the previous topic you have learned colors, is it? To draw the borders, which color is used? Black color is used. Okay, here to show the international boundaries, some kinds of dashes and dots will be used, that will be drawn in thick color. Okay, for what? For the international boundaries. For the state borders, what will be used for the state border or state boundaries? Same dashes and dots will be used, but these dots and dashes will be like thin color black, thin black, and it will be kept a little further from one another. Did you understand, children? And district boundaries. To show district boundaries, what will we use? To show the district boundaries, same dots and dashes will be used, that is kept further away. That is kept further away. It also drawn in very thin color. Very thin color. What is used here for to show the district boundaries? Series of dashes will be shown that are in thin color. Now, metalled roads, and for the non-metal or unmetalled roads. To show the unmetalled roads, to show the metalled roads. Metal roads can be seen only in the developed regions. Okay. Whereas these unmetalled roads can be found in the undeveloped regions. Metal roads where we can find in the developed regions, developed areas, whereas the unmetalled roads are known as found in non-developed areas. Okay. Unmetalled roads are otherwise known as Paka roads. These are known as Paka roads and these known as Kacha roads. Okay. And metal roads, what's the signs and symbols are used to denote the metal road? The two parallel lines with red color will be drawn. If you find the two parallel lines with red color that are in thick, what it shows? It shows the metal roads are or Paka roads are found on the way. Further, the metal roads or Kacha roads, how it will be? This also shown in red color only, but they are broken parallel lines. The broken parallel lines in red color denotes what? Unmetalled roads. Now, footpath. To show the footpath, what is used? Footpath can be found in the mountain regions. Okay, footpath can be found in the mountain regions. To show the footpath, dashes will be used. What is used? Dots will be used. In which color the dot will be? The dots will be in red color. Another thing, the bridges. To show the bridges, we already have seen in the colors. What color is used to draw bridges? It is red color. Below it some water body will be shown in blue color. Okay. So the water bodies will be in blue color and the bridges will be in red color that are shown over the river. Did you understand? The next thing we are going to learn is gauges. What are these gauges? Gauges are the railway track. Okay, there are three types of gauges are there. One is broad gauge and the next one is meter gauge and the third one is narrow gauge. What are the three types of gauges shown in the map, in the topographical map? Three types of gauges. One is broad gauge, other one is meter gauge, and the other one is narrow gauge. In the broad gauges are used to carry goods and passengers. Okay, these broad gauges are used in the developed areas. Okay, developed areas. And this broad gauge shows between the distance between the track 1.767 meters. What's the distance between two tracks in the broad gauge? 1.67 meters. And for the meter gauge also used to show in the interior areas where there is much development found. Here the distance between two tracks are 1 meter. What's the distance between two tracks? 1 meter. And narrow gauges are used in the tourist areas, in the mountain regions. The distance between two tracks will be 0.762 meters. These are the three important gauges that are used in the railway track. What are they? Broad gauge, meter gauge, narrow gauge. What's the distance between two railway tracks in the broad gauge? That is 1.67 meter. And the distance between two tracks will be 1 meter in the meter gauge. And also for the narrow gauge, the distance between two tracks will be 0.762 meters. These all about colors, signs and symbols that are used in the topographical sheets. Children, here we end the class today. We will see the remaining portion in the next class. Thank you.